Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you're doing very okay. And hope you're enjoying the weather. Alright, in today's video, we'll be talking about Banquina pericolosa. Okay, Banquina pericolosa. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. The old subscribers, I love you for always coming back to check on me. Yeah, okay, I really appreciate you. Now let me see if I can. Okay, let me just go ahead and share the screen. It is already shared on the screen. I didn't know. Okay, so I'll be dwelling on this particular subject, Banquina periculosa. All right, this is under Signa di Pericolo. I told you guys initially that I was supposed to continue from the way I stopped, the particular chapter I stopped, but because of our Signa di Pericolo are still lacking some vital what's it called, teachings, okay, that we're not there, it is missing. Okay, so someone called my attention and I need to quickly and I need to hurry up and clear that particular part. I want to make sure everything is in the playlist. Everything needed for you to pass your patente is in the playlist. Nothing is missing from this particular topic. Okay. Now this is the pericolo, and this is part of it, which is called banquina pericolosa. Now banquina pericolosa means a pothole by the side of the road. That's what this particular signal is trying to tell you. Okay. Now the side of the road is bad. It has potholes. Okay. Now remember, I say signal the pericolo. We always see it 150 meters ahead of this danger. We are not seeing it at the immediate point. Rather, we see them 150 meters ahead of this danger. It è un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia di norma a 150 metri una banchina, non è bambina, scusa, una banchina cirivole, non praticabile. Quindi il pericolo di caduta nella cunetta laterale alla strada. Now there's a possibility of you falling into this particular potholes by the side of the road. Okay, and normally you see this one warning you 150 meters ahead before you go approach this particular dangerous place. È consigliabile, you are advised. Non avvicinarsi troppo al margine destro della carreggiata. So you are advised not to go too close to the right part of the road. Why? Because now the right part is being affected. Let us see an image, okay, that tells us what banchina pericolosa is, or banchina cirivole. So whichever names they call it in patente, it is still the same thing. Okay. Now this is banchina cirivole, banchina pericolosa. Okay, this is it. Now it tells you there's a pothole by the side of the road. It is bad. Don't go too close to the right side of the road so that you don't fall into it. This is an example of banchina pericolosa. Okay. Let me give you another example of banchina pericolosa. Okay, you see this place now that this vehicle fall on top. It's still banchina pericolosa because why? The banchina is not good. It has potholes. It is bad. Okay, now they want you don't go too close to the right margin of the road so that you don't fall like this car or this remorque. You don't fall like this. Okay, that's what they're telling you. Don't go too close to the right side of the road, because that's where it's being affected. Okay, if you look at the image, you see that the right side of the road is being affected. So it tells you don't go too close to the right side of the road if you did drive, because there's potholes. Now I say non è vero che preannuncia una strada dissestata. It is not this signal that tell you of strada dissestata, that the road is bad. Not this particular signal. Okay, we've seen those one. Strada dissestata, we've seen it together with Doso, we saw it together with Cuneta. Those ones are different signals. They are up in this particular playlist of Signal di Pericolo. So go to the playlist and look for Signal di Pericolo and look out for all the signals that there is in Signal di Pericolo. Non è vero again che preannuncia presenza di piestrico sulla pavimentazione. It is still not this one that is telling you that there are stones, that you find stones on the floor when you drive. Not this particular signal. We have signal that warns us of stones. We'll see them. Okay, I'm going to bring that video up. I've not dropped it. I'll be dropping it right after this one. Okay, so just keep in touch, okay, so that you see these signals and know what they mean. Now, it is not this one that warns you of stones. So don't look at the signal and say, oh, this thing looks like stone. That means it is stone. Okay, no, this one just tells you that this particular banquina, it is not, you cannot drive on it. Okay, it is bad. you can fall inside of it because it has potholes. Ok? O che deve essere necessariamente integrato con il segnale di limite di velocità. Now, it is still not true again that this particular signal where you see them, you have to see another one that tells you the maximum speed limit. It is still not true. So these ones are non è vero. Okay? Non è vero number one, that this one tells you your strada disestata. Non è vero number two, that this one tells you that there are stones on the road. Non è vero number three, that this one you have to sit with a sign that tell you the speed limit where you go fit drive on top of this particular place. It is not true. Okay? So guys, we have come to the end of this particular teaching, Banchina periculosa. All right, keep in touch. I'm going to post videos soon to explain more on Segnale di Pericolo. When we are done with Segnale di Pericolo, we'll enter to where we are supposed to be, the one I was supposed to complete, okay? All right. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed up to now, please do it to subscribe. Like this particular video if you love this teaching, okay? So that you give me the morale to post, okay? And of course, share to your family and friends. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.